This is where PCB Algiers man, President PCB. Okay.
Yeah, and I see.
I'm just here for today. I'm just having a look around, spending some time with my brother and meeting some of the PCB guys like Asad Mustafa, who I've been dealing with on the phone and by email. I've just seen him now and met him face to face, which was nice. Well, I think the PCB and the ICC have worked really closely to get together to bring this project together in a very short space of time, and they've done that really well. Our boys, our international players, were very happy, very comfortable, and I think they were great ambassadors for their own countries too. Well, I'm happy in my job with the England Cricket Board at the moment, and also the support staff and the lead coaches here look as if they're doing a great job for the PCB and the Pakistani players. So I think that that's the important thing to focus on. I don't know about that. Our focus has been on ensuring that this series worked very well and that it happened effectively, and I think that's what's happened. It's been a great success. So I'm not sure about any future arrangements. That's for Mr. Sethi to decide on. Look, the food at the ground was great. The food at the PC was excellent. And we were very well looked after on the food front. In fact, a little bit too well if you just look down there.
You learned something in Urdu?
I learned something?
In Urdu?
In Urdu, I know shukriya and assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam, and that's all I know really.
And Pakistan Zindabad.
And Pakistan Zindabad, yes, and I like that song, very good.